Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, this is the homepage of this app. From here you can add payment method or different types of cards. Then, if you go here, you got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your full activity. Next, we've got settings, and in here you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.